Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off Smart Shuffle in Spotify. First of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. Once you get into your Spotify account, tap on the Your Library option. Now from here, you can find all your playlists here. Then, tap on the playlist you want to shuffle. After that, tap on the arrows icon. Now from the drop-down menu, you will find the Smart Shuffle option. Shuffle and get recommendations in your queue refreshed daily. Now the recommendations will be added to the queue for this playlist. If you tap on the arrow icon again, the shuffle will be removed or turned off. That is how you can turn off Smart Shuffle in Spotify. Unfortunately, there is no way yet to turn off Smart Shuffle on Spotify permanently. If Smart Shuffle adds songs you don't wish to listen to, tap the minus sign near them in the Now Playing bar. Alternatively, feel free to provide feedback on Spotify that would serve as a permanent feature of Disable Smart Shuffle. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.